Welcome to the Kustom Life Vlog. It is really early Saturday morning. We're here in Phoenix, Arizona for the Severed in the Southwest show hosted by Severed Ties. And we're on our way to the meetup spot to roll out to the show. And we are on very little sleep and very tired. We're going to be doing something, well, it's actually not really different than what we normally do. But we're going to go into a lot more detail about what it takes to get to a show. And right now it's about 7 o'clock at night and we're just leaving SoCal. We're heading to Phoenix for the Severed in the Southwest show. We just dropped off our kids at my sister's house. This is my sister Allie. This is her husband Scott. These are our two kids. And every time we head out of town to a show, they always take care of the kids for us and we really appreciate it. And now we're on the road headed to Phoenix. So another huge part of all these road trips is the gas. The gas. We use so much gas. Now this trip isn't that bad. Just shooting out to Phoenix for the weekend. Probably only be a couple $100 in gas. Obviously, it's way more expensive in California for gas. So we really like it when we make it out to Arizona and it gets really cheap. Go ahead and leave all your We Hate California comments in the comments below. 1 o'clock in the morning, Arizona time. It always messes me up coming out here because it's only midnight our time. So we're gonna get to Brian's house, we're gonna crash, get at it tomorrow, try to get up by 6 a.m. Arizona time, which is 5 a.m. our time, and get to the showgrounds. All right, meetup spot. We're out here at a Shell, got a few rides out here. The event this year is at a different spot. For a long time this event was at Castles and Coasters here in Arizona, but this year it's at the UTI campus in Avondale. And if you're new to this channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Frank, and on this channel we take you to car shows all over the country. Coffee, donuts, Angie wanted Subway, but that ain't happening this morning. Oh, well, thank you very much. So Angie, Brian who's in front of us, didn't plan it out too well, so Angie's gonna be driving his truck so he can film rollers to the show. Bye, Angie. Good luck, don't hit anything. Just pulled up to the spot here at the UTI campus, and now this is the thing about a one-day show every single time is we got to unload this trailer as quickly as we can, get everything down because they got more cars rolling in, and they're going to be having like show cars parked behind the booth. So we got to get this trailer unloaded as quick as we can and set up. Almost done with the setup. It's been a couple hours. This has been a little more chill. Like I was saying earlier, these one-day shows were hitting the ground running, and it seems like we have zero time. But this show is a little more chill today. So we're just finishing up setting up the booth, and the next thing we got to jump on is show coverage. 10:30, and we're finally all set up. How long did that take us? 2 hours? Something like that. But this, like I said earlier, this is a lot more chill. In the previous video at the A Day to Remember show, I don't know, I guess it's just atmosphere in two different shows. That show, I felt like we hit the ground running and that show was over in 5 minutes. This is really chill. I haven't been out to the show area yet, so I still gotta go check that out and start filming and stuff like that. But so far, it's like a super chill vibe. Really like this location. So for the previously, it was at a place called Castles and Coasters here in Phoenix, and now it's moved to the UTI campus on the outskirts of Phoenix in a place called Avondale. And so I really like this location a lot more. It's a lot more open, and can't wait to go check out the show. So as we've gotten farther in making videos, and it's just a natural evolution. So when you start doing something, you start with the most basic tools, and as you go along, you realize that like, I can make this look a little bit better, or I want to make it look better. So I ended up buying more and more equipment. But with that is more equipment, more setup. But I do love my Ronin S. Ronin, please sponsor me. So I just want to take a little quick second here to let you guys know, you guys see us setting up the booth, and you always see us out here at these shows slanging merch. These are all the designs behind me. If you go to our website, livelifekustom.com, that's custom with a K, the link is in the description below. When you guys purchase shirts, it helps us keep going and gets us to all these shows. it's a rainy Sunday here in Phoenix, and we're got the truck packed and ready to go. We're heading back to SoCal. It was a good show. I want to give a big thanks to Severed Ties for putting it on. And for the day in the life of, this has actually been a little bit more of a day in the life of. It's been more of like a few days in the life of. We started on Friday, heading out to this show, and now it's Sunday and we're heading back home. And this is the part we don't really talk about in the vlogs much, not because, you know, for anything other reason other than it's super boring. We're about to take a 5-hour trip back home. We gotta get back to Rancho, pick up our kids for my sister, and then head home and relax. These weekends are fun, but they are non-stop. We leave SoCal and we go, 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 go until we get back home. So the video's over, or the show's over, the video's over, but the job's not over. Now the job's still get home. And the last little bit of our journey is picking up these two guys. Say hi.
Hi.
And that's it. That's the whole weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for checking out the Kustom Life vlog. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you at the next one.